now. They can't kick the can down the road. The third whammy is the state is now requiring all the condos to have enough reserves to pay for these repairs in the future, because they know that they're going to have to continue to do these repairs, and they don't want any more deferred maintenance, no more kicking the can down the road. So because of these three things, we've seen condo communities decimated with costs. There are some places down in Miami and Fort Lauderdale where people are being charged $200,000 for all of those three things on top of their regular condo fee, right?